Audi TT, upcoming UK based TT events. Hi all, Andy here and welcome to January's edition of upcoming events in the TT world. Happy New Year to everyone, and with the upcoming show season it's time for me to get this nice and clean and ready for the shows. Over the winter months it's developed a crack across the front windscreen, so I'm going to need to get that replaced. Another job includes installing some form of battery charging point in the front engine bay so I can charge the battery in the rear. But enough about that content, it will be coming in a future video. Let's talk about the 2 Audi TT meets coming up in January. One event that evaded my TT radar was an early breakfast meet this morning in East Anglia. A nice collection of well-kept Mark 1, Mark II and Mark III cars on display in the winter sun, and it was arranged by Robin Scrivener. I will have news of Robin's other events that pop up later in the year as he is looking to grow the scene in his area. Great work, Robin. Next up is a pre-booked breakfast meet at JD Classics in Chelmsford on Saturday the 21st of January. As the title suggests, this one is limited on numbers, so you will need to contact Jeff Bedford on the Audi TT 3.2 owners group on Facebook to book a place. It's a 10 AM start for the tour of the JD Classics facility, with the attendees meeting at 9:30 just around the corner at the Costa Coffee on the Clocktail Retail Park at 9:30. But again, I must stress this is appointment only through Jeff. You can also leave a comment for him on this video. After the tour, there is a lunch booking at the Castle Pub in Great Leys for all TT owners to meet up and chat cars further from 1 PM. Anyone is welcome to attend this, so if you fancy a spot of lunch and look at some TTs, make sure you head for the address on screen now. Last up in January is a new meet at DEtling in Kent, arranged by Anthony Wilson, who is a member of the TT Addicts group. If you've not checked out the TT Addicts group on Facebook, I highly recommend them as a really friendly bunch with a passion for these great cars. The event at DEtling is taking place on Saturday the 28th of January from 9 AM until 1 PM. It's open to all Mark 1, Mark II and Mark III cars, so if you fancy a run out in your TT down the M20 in Kent, then this is the spot for you. It's held at the DEtling Diner on the A249 DEtling Hill. And please remember to support the hosts by making a purchase or two, and remember to respect the facilities, as I know you will. Car Chris and I will definitely be in attendance, so please do say hi and show us your lovely cars. It's always great to put a face to the usernames. So there's the 2 meets that are coming up this January for the TT, and as the months roll by there will be plenty more events coming up on the channel. So if you're aware of any Audi TT events that I've not mentioned, or you've got something coming up, then please do let me know at the address on screen now. If you like what you've seen today, then please do give this video a thumbs up, and also think about subscribing to my channel for more Audi TT Mark 1 content. Typically it's just started raining, so all my hard work has gone for naught. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon. Take care.